Omarishe Yamamwajo Yamamunina Kwaba Esaba NDC 360 so. Where Jumadia NDC Amanyuku Yasheshe Edibode Ro Efa Njuma Pa Enesheshe Pa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the nation builder and next president of the Republic of Ghana. Ewadema Ghana for. Yes, also for Sakwenye so. Epa Abayi Hontuma. Efa Njuma Bone. Enesem Bone a Omudi. Ewa Maimuso. Nkontompon sem nyina nikita se she pro ye ne kankan dwirim omode afore omaye yefasa akwenye epa hontoma ema obia enya hontiase sa akwenye yefaso etu ye boase epaipai nsemu ebe nsemu bokoboko te se achechede nante ema obi biara ohwe ye bia enya ho asem etiase na se akrampo etu into any of the portals wanya ho kwan etime esuade ehunne ekoso ebusuafo nanu etwemu edwanu muslimifo mudi musalla efa kwenye kesie so NDC 360 platform, the most authoritative platform in the country as at now. Ewushimu nyina baraka de salla baraka de sabon shekara nyamema afie ebeyi mutimi aye salla kesie ewo NDC apenso under the leadership of Muamoba Osiremu Sejata, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ebusuafo, yeah, as an NDC team. Andra, your Bomodia inaugurated your campaign team, the best, most formidable, committed and determined campaign team ever in the history of this country. I am confident, together with all well-meaning Ghanaians, so the campaign team under the leadership of the General Secretary, Honorable Fifi Fiave Kwete, will deliver a resounding victory for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the entire NDC come December 7th, 2024. Ebusuafo, Mr. Anso Ojidie said the flag bearers campaign team led by Honorable Joshua Labi and the running mates campaign team led by Honorable Alex Segbefia, together with the national officers, gallant national officers, gallant regional executives, very committed constituency executives, and hard-working branch executives, together with our grassroots and all well-meaning patriotic Ghanaians, will come together in one love and one unity towards the victory of the NDC on December 7th, 2024. Ebusuafo, today promises to be an exciting show. Yabetu ebo asese na bisika ye no na ya pipeline semo na nde de nije kese se yetimi anya openyi ekuku dam a obeto no bo ase a kire nsem no mu ama ye nyina ye hwe NDC 360 bia no ye benya ho kwan anya ho ntiase na dwumadi a ye it's coming to you live on the various TV stations, 5 major TV stations. 1, the Onua TV, Wezo TV, TVXYZ, Angel TV, and Loud Silence Media. Obviously, say one need TV sets. Don't worry, I'm not what they for phone. Neko your social media platforms. On Facebook, you have the NDC 360 platform. On X, you have the NDC 360 official. On YouTube, we have the NDC 360 in this country. Anka MPP for Bedi Abra. It shouldn't have been the health sector of this country. We'll take our time today to take you through all the health systems in this country. Where we are today as a health corridor and where we will be tomorrow as a health corridor under the leadership of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. My name is Malik Basentale. Me NDC Kasama for BDH. I'm Deputy National Communications Officer. I'll take my time to be your host, a highly distinguished one, and I would ensure that we have a smooth flow of the program until we get to the end. We'll take some recaps. Then, demonstrations this year. Ghana for highly committed, distinguished Ghanaian citizens, patriotic ones, poured out onto the streets to register their displeasure towards state capture. Obidin obusuafo chronics, obusuafo anamfo awewefo ne ne aka ho omaka abomu na omaye omadwen se ombedi abro pa ewo man mu ha. Now I have consistently said that the kicks of a dying horse are indeed hard and last days are dangerous. And before your margin say, baby, I agree. Aka kakra pe no mo free akonya so. Until this is the time to create, loot, and share. Says here mpo create no NDC edi kan create. Until baby Edru no aka loot and share. Yes so ya bebo modia na apom ho ntoma. Na mo bi biara nya ho entiase e won nsem no mu. Na obi ate senia nanado ene ne baumia ene MPP for your margin say ombebu omayi edi dwurim niketa se hye afore for ye nyina. We'll take a few recaps. No be who demonstration as a call here. Yes, I'll take you through some brief commentaries and then we zoom into today's actual presentation. Therefore, don't touch the TV station. Don't change. Stay tuned. Keep sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend that NDC 360 has taken off and we are live.
We are gathered here today, as you can see, in front of the Labadi Beach Hotel. I want to thank the Ghanaian people who have showed up in their numbers. The Ghanaian people are saying that enough of the state capture, enough of the looting. They are no longer going to countenance a situation where vital state assets are just being sold. If Labadi Beach Hotel, La Palm Royal Hotel, Elmina Beach Hotel, Busia Lodge, Trust Lodge, Rage Royal are not good for the whole of Ghana, they are not good for Ghanaian workers, they are not good for Ghanaians. How can they be good for individuals in the cabinet of President Akufo-Addo? How does that make sense? And the other irony, the hotel that is coming to save these hotels is a loss-making hotel. The filings at GRA reveal that they made losses last year. When Rock City Hotel Limited was making losses last year, Labadi Beach Hotel, where we are, the hotel just behind me, made profits. A profit of impressive magnitude, 158 million Ghana cedis. If you look at the books of Labadi Beach Hotel, they have in their accounts, 5 bank accounts, 58.4 million. Last year they paid 25 million. The year before they paid 10 million. So how can anybody say that these are struggling hotels? If you look at Ridge Royal, very profitable. La Palm Royal was very profitable until recently when they made the wrong appointment. So we are saying that if the Honorable Bra Champon has any great ideas, great vision to manage hotels, even though his own hotel is making losses, he should bring it to bear in cabinet. He should not say that unless he buys these hotels, they become his private properties before he will share that expertise. I mean, that is the height of unpatriotism.
What is happening in the country needs attention of everybody. It turns out that government is trying to sell some of the strategic investments like this. Don't forget, not too long ago, government itself had cause to come to parliament and give huge tax waivers for some hotels in the country. Indeed, the government itself is spending about $50 million to invest in a hotel project at the airport called the Pullman Hotel, which we are told belongs to one of the president's relatives. So this idea that the hotels are not making a profit that we should get rid of them. The same government that say they are not making profit is spending, multiple millions to invest in hotel projects. I think the clandestine and non-transparent way by which this particular transaction of the state hotels are being carried out is a cause to worry. So we, the minority, are fully in support of TUC, ICU, everybody who is kicking against this. The process is warped. In any case, the hotel chain that is trying to buy this, as Honorable Okujetu pointed out, that hotel itself is making loss according to the filings they've done at the Registrar General and the Tax Authority. So I think the reason for this sale is not genuine. It's basically to transfer state assets to individuals in government, and this must not be tolerated.
As people of Gadekotofo, we are against the sale of the hotels because the hotels help our people to get jobs. They have employed some of our people who are working here. And so if the hotels are sold off, then our people will be unemployed. I would say this and add it to the trade fair. What we see at the trade fair has been demolished and people have lost their livelihoods. You come to the Gadekotofo, our general hospital was demolished. They now say they are the foundation level. You go to Cantonment, you go to Laboni, they have looted almost all that we have in Gadekotofo. And so with the good people of Gadekotofo, we are not happy with this government, and we have come out in our numbers to demonstrate against them, to let them know that whatever they are doing to the people of Gadekotofo, we are not happy about it.
Send this signal not Baromia and it was to protect us. But I do want the police and the pepper spray, I could tear gas, spray. It is a wine of a boy who buy. Police now was some I'm protecting no. I'm no more attacking. One boy who buy. Baromia, I don't know who police at the IGP on the control police service. No, it's a Gamupanamo. I catch a gun and you are saying, I say. Dia Baromia editor ya Ghana nie eti Ghana for mama ninda ho enya okun between NDC and MPP but you fight between Ghanaians and MPP. The youth of Ghana must rise. Ghana youth won't rise it. Ghana first.
Say me assure you say wonchi na esi ya wa ha ye edu ha no ye free ha ye ko hospital aqua costra your colleagues are tear gas no police for FIR omo ebi omo apra your hospital aqua costra omo as leaders of this demonstration. We will never abandon anybody. Now police for no so this was not the agreement. You knew omo share your 12th of June your car say your cop if people are surprised, then you fire tear gas, you fire pepper spray. But fortunately, no. What you say, you are Kwame Nkrumah's descendants. You are the descendants of Yasantoa. You are the descendants of Nitaki, the descendants of Sergeant Ajete, the descendants of Private Udate Lamte, the descendants of Corporal Atipu. Yes, tear gas. Yes, pepper spray. It is a much say, oh yes, and then the lawyer for many years to come, decades to come. Politicians are omoba abaimu, say omoba state assets. Yedi share omo shaso, omobe luti, omobe fa, omobe wia ama omohono, and then thousands of Ghanaians have sent a very clear message.
Indeed, you are the descendants of Kwame Nkrumah, and you are the descendants of Sergeant Ajete. You are the descendants of the truth, and the truth shall always stand. The youth of Ghana must rise. Yababo mabaso, send your misika, send your nramboje bre, appear in your numbers to demonstrate your displeasure towards state capture by the Akufo-Addo-Bawumia-led government. Their looter continues. We are not relenting. We shall fight our way to victory. And the victory of the NDC and the victory of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is a victory that will do away with corruption, a victory that will do away with ineptitude, a victory that will do away with family and friends, and a victory that will do away with all the negative setbacks the Akufo-Addo-Bawumia-led government have brought onto us. Dramani Mahama, at the right time, we shall revisit this state capture by the Akufo-Addo-Bawumia-led government. And then come on, the health sector of this country. We will talk about the health corridors of this country, and all we shall be doing in today's discussion is to expose all the rots so long as the health sector of this country is concerned. Whilst at that, we shall be bringing you the projects and the proposals, the solutions to the health, corridors of this country. And then there's any misika, you open your kukudam or the year beko true. But answer na me introduce ye penye, we will take a brief break. Jebre, ye try husima bakope. Ye penye oye ntemende. Oye penye pa. He is a gallant man of this country, a statesman for that matter. Obia was there for 44 years of his life. Was the health corridors of this country. Was there pa. Okoni nimonso eba the professional. Oyo penye kukudam ewo mo. Eba politics nso a wabene ho pa. Asa penye no and there esanso ye na woda. And then the birthday, 44 years on this earth. 44 years of being a Ghanaian has not been easy. And then there, we say, I go honorable. At least, and there, birthday, dear. Ebimo, Edru, almost, Omucha e-levy cakes, Omucha near Kakaho, but Openi, and Adrians of Ejebre, Abekaya Hoha, even on his birthday. This shows how dedicated this man is and how committed he is to the cause of rescuing this country. Openi, the member of parliament for the good people of Dwaboso in the Western North region. Also, the ranking member on the Health Committee of Parliament. Openyi is no less a person than a member of Parliament for the people of Dwaboso, Honorable Kwabena Mintah Akandoh. Honorable Akwaba.
Yeah.
Bibi aboko dear. 44 years in Ghana. That was a
Nyamia Yebi. Baby free ya bedru ha no.
Wow.
They met me aka say Nyamia Yebi.
Wow. Na say bi mo edru omo so no mo twitwa cakes. Me hu e-levy cake, emission tax cake. What the anka at least who cake na dey minimum say we free bottom enye taxpayer sika. E den tipa na one twitwa cake and the watch bre say obeka your ho ha am I this NDC 360 programs from ko say.
Malik, baby yedru omo enimu no. Bibia wo ye ayebeka se jai. Na ye nyina emeboa. Na enye Ghana man si wona wo se wo jai. Birthday betimi atwen. Na imo baby o man ne aduru no entumi ntwen. E wo se ye nyina ye de ahodin bom, ye ka bom. Na keta sese ne proye ene amamu boni a ekoso yi no. Obi biada e ka ho. Ye tumi e de o man ne si kwan papa so. Nti menua, se nyame de yankwa chen ya. Birthday de Eba debia. You are also for say wundi birthday mom. Debi. Eno de eno kre. If you say wo me say me be party ne ya to puno ama me na menye bi da. Me kura say me free buy enye bi ma bi da. Edu me bia na me man na ya on person mo surprise me catch up so man hwe no mo yo ma je so mo surprise. On be surprise on ho. Nti on mo yesterday. But I think that baby you do say e ni brisem because on mine no edu ba bia wo say enye so original. Obia so original ni hu die obeye ama Ghana man anya ne ntoma pafra ama nchirima emeboye nyina yesobo
e dey pa na why ama dwabo so for doors because I am receiving text messages obisi MP nde say wo ba mu flyer no obisi onya crank of akaba ha e be di we chi ba e dey pa na wo ya ma dwabo so for ama o ni je ho sa abaso o to boom e dey ma o
nyame Idi kan afi de to so mienu nipa bia adwuma bia de be hye wo sasa ye no ye na ye ne yie ye na ye wa famu de ya ka ne nyama amanfo no no mu enje agye me fi se dwabo so abato mposu so for suma no parliament 2012 2013 na me sha ase e ba parliament abepem samri me no mo de ne yie o mo so ni ma de ye mo nya de biara da bibia nti obadwabo so a edin ba ko e de frame ne aboa ntetia na aboa ntetia de wasechire me ye campaign bia me ka kire mo se mo so me wo mrahye badwafi me kwa aban mu na me nya aboa ntetia mpa me che me na so bia so si a me no kasa yi me common fund kakra aban e de man apart from mra ye no mrahye badwafi no common fund kakra aban e de ema MP bia no me de no if you say be a member of parliament chiefs compound mean see ye we see wotwe be see this
wow
yes wotwe
wow
hweme ha adekrom antobia new so menya kantamanto mean see ye see wotwe
second apomode ho hia opa
ehu hia me papa
wow
suku adan can under normal circumstances ye this assembly said yes or moye okodwa abo secondary school ba bia ye didie dining hall can normally ye central government project me dey cover fund see a danye ye dining hall amanfo school for didi o ti find more than 1,000 nti ye afamu de na ye twan mra ye wura John Dramani Mahama bese abane anya akwanya eso sinsei na ho ne ye di mpuntuo ne betumi ka Ghana for na nyina me bia ka dwabo so
yo honorable me say wonre say na musika no today will be an exciting one me di kai mamu nyina ti ase me boss National Communications Officer lawyer Sammy Gyamfi o page no mu kakra efri nyakonya kese no mu na wama me kwan as na be de chire the Deputy National Communications Officer say me internase na me moderate show yi from there today will be exciting jebre ye to ye boase na pipeline sem no mu na nante bokoboko te say achechede nante na ye wi a obia nya ho nte ase keep your messages coming keep all the shares keep sharing the link no obusuafo nyina wonamfo nyina obi anya ho kwan etimi ahwe and then keep commenting and keep liking on all our social media handles send ya baby no na makanka mo messages once again my name is Malik Basentale Deputy National Communications Officer and I'm your host for today Honorable Mintah Akandoh the floor is yours Ghana fo nyina ahwe obia ahwe omomo amono nyina ahwe everybody wants to know where we are today as a health sector and where we'll be tomorrow in 2025 as a health sector. The floor is yours.
Malik didi kan meda wase. Na ansa na yebekọ Ghana ya pomudin aso ya eyare. Apomudin aso ya ne yare. Apomudin aso ya na ewo se anka ebo ho ban fu yare ho no. Enu ankasa yare. Nti yebeka ho asem. Na ansa na yebekọ ho no. Sane na wudi kan kan ye no. Ya pa abadwakuo ebi ho ntoma se emedi ye campaign anim. Me fasa kwan ya abo mu nyina abaso na emom me de meka kire NDC ni bia ne Ghana ni bia ope Ghana yie ni se obia ye campaign manager obia the grassroots me campaign managers no okodwa aboso a na ye campaign managers no sanyira no for na ye campaign manager ajimadin for ye campaign eteso for ye campaign managers Ghana ni bia ope Ghana yie NDC ni bia sabin preduasa yewura John Dramani Mahama eba wo community ni mu a how many hours no be di ho no ko na mom ya yete ho no Ghana fo nyina yenya yete yeja ho na yenim se nesihihye no ene wo se obi biada ede ne ho je campaign na ye no emu summary e wo se ye hunu se ye nkoye protocol se be se complacent ye ma yetirimu nkoye ye de bebre na mom e wo se nya ni da so se nkunimdie e wo ho na eno e hye ye nkuran ye adwumaden na megidi ye se sane aye bida yewura John Dramani Mahama obeye omampanyi a oyeye no afei so sai ba bi mu a enya afei no ye be ye somehwe bi mu ye pe obi a waye bida a enne se ye soani as President of Republic of Ghana onim de wo so waye enye try and error obi anim oye obi a sebi no kore ewo nanum ɔka asɛm a ɛtɔ nipa so ɔka asɛm so nipa bu no in the amanɔne nyina da bɛrima no sɔre na ɔkasa na obi etie no nti megye edi sɛ ɛnyɛ Yewa John Dramani Mahama na enya ɛnyɛ campaign managers na enya ne yɛn nyinaa ne yɛnya ɛyɛ Ghana for amamu bɔne a ɛkɔ so no ɛne ɔsɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛ den yɛde yɛn ho gyem bi menua deɛ ɛtɔ so biem medika aka kyerɛ wo sɛ yapɔmuden aso yɛ nankasa yare na ennɛ sɛnea wodi ka aka yɛ no ɛnya ade betumi aka pɔmuden aso yɛ ne ho nsɛm nyina da ɛnɛ nti ebeyi ne maako megye di yɛ sɛ ɛnɛ ɛnyɛ deɛ atwa to a program yi meba so nti kakra bi ɛbɛfa no ɛnɛ yɛbɛfa ne akyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra yɛba bi mu a yɛba abɛtoa so na fei ne yɛde afiri hɔ akɔ yɛ anim deɛ ɛtɔ so biem nke yɛn nyinaa yɛ nim sɛ ɔman bi yada ɔman na hoɔden ɔman no ɛne nipa a ɛwɔ ɔman ne mu nti nipa na hoɔden nipa a ɛwɔ ɔman ne mu no ɔman hoɔden no ɛna yɛ ɔman no nso ahoɔden ɔman pɔmu nsɛm nti ɔman biara ɔde na pɔmu nsɛm apɔmuden nsɛm edi agorɔ no na ɔman no yare nti yɛwura John Dramani Mahama abrɛ so no ɔyɛ n'adwene sɛ na ɔde apɔmuden ne apɔmuden asoɛ no ɛbɛtutu mmirika na ɛno abɛyɛ krabɛhwɛ ama even abibre mu ham no obi pɛ sɛ ɔkɔsa ne ho yadeɛ koraa na wadwen Ghana sɛ Mamenko University of Ghana Medical Center enkonkosa me ho yadeɛ na hɔ deɛ mekɔ a ɛboɔ ne bɛkɔ fam na menya state of the art equipment niema yɛde sa yadeɛ a ɛno ɛkɔ n'anim a ɔkɔ amanɔne a ebio baabia ɛno bi ne ebenya wɔ Ghana nti ɔbɔ ne ho mmɔden sɛ na anka ɔde mpa mako 6,000 60 bed capacity ɛna de bɛka yapɔmuden aso yɛ no ho nti sɛ wokɔ baabi te sɛ University of Ghana Medical Center on esi yɛ wokɔ baabi te sɛ Dodowa District Hospital on esi yɛ Rich Hospital on esi yɛ Police Hospital yɛ Innovate ɔno a wokɔ Maritime Hospital on esi yɛ wokɔ Fomena on esi yɛ wokɔ Kumawu on esi yɛ Afari on esi yɛ nti ɔbɔ ne ho mmɔden sɛ na apɔmuden aso yɛ no ɔde ebesi ne kwan pa so na menua yɛ kɔ bi kakra sɛ ohwa ene de yɛbɛka ho asɛm yi enie yɛbɛka yɛwɔ akuaku ahodoɔ bi no mu a ɔmo wa amanɔne a Ghana asɔman no yɛne ɔmo di nkita ho a ɔmo boa yɛn ɛma yapɔmuden esisisi so ana yapɔmuden aso yɛ no nsɛm no ɛkɔ so na mpumtuo ɛba hɔ yɛwɔ ɛno yɛbɛka ho asɛm afei yɛ National Health Insurance a egu apɔmuden yɛ sɛ echi mmaa a ɛno nso no babia gudu sisi ade nyina ya amfa ya no antuma ego no ɛnɛ yɛbɛka ho asɛm afei yɛ nurse for nsɛmsɛm te sɛn allowance yɛtua ɛkwa ɛfa so ɛfa a nurse for ɛwɔ sukuu mu afei ɔmo wie sukuu no kura no ɔmo adwuma yɛ kura te sɛn ɛno nso yɛbɛka ho asɛm ɛna me ne ugyina ha yi wɔn mo ɔmo yɛ adwuma wɔ apɔmuden aso yɛ ne nyinaa no bebre na teacher a doctor for a nurse for bebre na efi oman yi mu eko adentira eno so ye behwe afei yewura bawomia a oye oman mampanyi abadi akire ono de wa kire amagana ni bi ehu se no kore eni nanum okansem bi efa zipline ho zipline eye den ya eno so ene ebedi hu nkomo kakra e-health yewura bawomia say MPP aban ba so ni ati bi di kra say ye health eyo no kra na sanya no kra eno so ye behwe se obeka ya every the year 2023 and ye sha say ye di nkomo bi fa dialysis ho one renal patient one mo obun so akwa no omo ho yade kakra e wo ho no eno so ye bedi ho nkomo ene nti ye be sha ase ne ya to ye bo ye yin mako nti Malik ye sha ase ne hwe de ewo ho
edi we chipa
good nti ye sha ase ye di kai Ghana ye wo akuo bi no mu a oboboa yen emma yapɔmuden nsɛm no omudi sika ehyem na egya ne nan so nti ye frɛ bi UNICEF ye frɛ bi Gavi and ye frɛ bi Global Fund nti sɛ ofa UNICEF na ofa Gavi fo a wonom no omoboa yen emienya bibia ye frɛ no vaccines Inti vaccines obeka ya kane no ni yesi ye wo 6 childhood killer diseases. Inti se wo akola na ya wo no efiri sa amre na ya wo na kopim mfie numu no. Ye wo nu bi e wo se ye de ma akola no. Se de be ye be bɔ ne ho ban afiri yade de mu ho. Ebi ti se polio. Ebi ti se ntoburo eno mo ne ade. Inti sa nuro no eye Gyamfi fo ene UNICEF fo ene boa yen amudi sika be hyem na yenya. Edu baabi santoburo ya na Ghana ban aban bi ya abese ko beburu mfie aduanan nie yetu ho anamon a na yetu afiri omayi mu no na drankwa kufu ado aban ebae osafa ntoburo ebae nti ntoburo the year 2022 esan etiatese ewo esemama ntifi adentira vaccines a na wose yekofa ba ede bebo nkola ya wo nom ekopim mfie num no ho ban no ya nya sika ankwa ankoto vaccines no ye free wo no mo mahye badwafie a ye bi so mo hu nsam no aso mo ka che ne say vaccines ne kwa no the whole world are short because of covid we be mia wasase so bibia e covid Ukraine anche bia o mo ka sa wie ye no mutu alu preko Nigeria no mukonya sa nro ni bi di baga na asin say Nigeria de omonye part of the globe omonye part of the world what the confidence ho nti Nigeria fo e na bo ayen e ma ye nro ni bi ansana ye de eba be ma nkola ya wo no foforo e de bo mo ban efri sa nyarewa no ho e ka ban yi nko ade a anka nkola ewu ye no na nka enya agro nti Gyamfi ene UNICEF fo no omafa beye sa nyarewa no ebe bro beye edu miensa na emom edu miensa ni mo no yese Ghana fo yemfa beye emu beye miensa na afei Gyamfi fo ene UNICEF fo so emfa mu edu nti sa wo hwa apart from Gyamfi fo no yesai wo ekuo bi a wonom nso omobo ayen ye fra obo say global fund na sa global fund fo yi no omo so yarewa be binum te say de ehenom na omo so omobo ayen ebre yinuru nti global fund for a free 2002 and omo abo ayen ya be pem sabri nti ebia mfie miensa na omo de abom na mama yisika bi say sa sika we no yemfa emo yare binom eho ban yare bi to say malaria atiri di yare yare bi to say tetanus yare bi to say HIV/AIDS into global fund for from the year 2021 2022 2023 end year no omutwa sika bi na sika no ebeye $233 million.
Wow.
Yesika free a friend grant. Grant no nso ne ewo mu say loan. Ye ka grant a yesika ono ode be che wo kwa. Free. Yesika free. Ode ebe hye ya pomudin mu na tie de esie. Afei sa grant we global fund for ede emaye no. Sa grant we global fund for ede maye no. Si ye che emu oha emu 70% ye de to nro ede bre oman no. Na ansa na ye behia se we eye paracetamol we eye mosquito net na Ghana behia no. Ye ade bi ye friend quantification ad hoc committee Ghana Health Service for the DNM. Nti omo kwatrase no mo say no be ne yehia ansa na global fund for the den e de no na brain but so what you say
you come baby
very good fantastic nti so omo yes ha de we are Ghana 2023 no omo yes ha de ni wie ye no na omo ka nuru a ye behia e be ye HIV for nuru atidi nuru mosquito net na ne manyina ena global fund for edisa no ebre Ghana
nti ye na ye ka say ye
pesa nuru we
yo eni nti na me say ye ko bi
ye ka say ye pesa nuru
ye
pesa nuru we quantification ad hoc committee and mu determine sa nuru was ye de
fantastic
Inti yɛde nnuro ni bedu Ghana no na Malik adeɛ baako ne sɛ ansa na nnuro no emedu Ghana no yɛ mamu notice yɛ ka kyerɛ mo yɛ bɔ mamane yɛ de invoices ni di kan ba yɛ de bill of lading di kan brɛw sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a wo bɛhyɛ ase tu anamon benya anamon
no dey my
ana ye dis sika ne ma Ghana no na Ghana for global fund for no mo se na de dan kwa ku Kwado ba umnya omo Ghana de ye port charges there had ya to 1% na so
when a pregnant woman attends to antenatal to be given, children under 5 or people at the school going age are the most affected because it affects their learning and their ability to mentally develop and understand what they are learning.
I mean, the whole scenario
is this situation novel? Like, has it ever happened before, from what you do know?
About 2 weeks ago, we were in Geneva to meet the Global Fund.
All right.
And the Global Fund told the Ghana delegation, that was led by the Minister of Health, Honorable Dr. Okoboy, and the Director General of the Ghana Health Service was also present, the chairperson for the Parliamentary Select Committee on Health, and his ranking member. They were all part of the delegation. The Global Fund told us that this is the first time they are seeing anything like this anywhere in the world.
In the world?
In the world. That commodities have been donated to a country and the commodities are in the ports for 1 whole year and they are still there, uncleared. They have never seen anything like that. It's unprecedented.
Ghana is...
We are the first country where commodities have been given to you, you simply don't care.
And people are actually depending on it.
And people are depending on these medicines.
And may have even lost their lives.
Oh, yes.
Ebusuafo, someone nyina ma hwe video no. Papa no kasa se sia ansa na video ni baby ya no. The rep for the Global Fund. Mo tenene e ka kete anko so. Ena ma bro na nado ene ba omi abaye e die. Enuano ma hwe video no me ra hosa. Honorable Akandoh. Afi magie di se wo de no kre. Facts and a well-researched presentation. ene dia abre yende den to ankomo no
politics intimi ntwa ntro da
yes
papa ya okasai mene ne mienu 77 World Health Assembly mene ne koye Ghana delegation e koye na meka ho ye koje anumguase poto global fund for omutwi anim te say sabe omomaye ne ye no I'm telling you the truth almost say the whole world ade a Ghana ye no omuhu bi da Malik the man kan ho ne say omudi sika ne kra ka ho awie no se niema na ye yi no port ho no se bi be ko dwabo so a internal transportation musan de mayen
wow enti e be ko kulungungu a
e kra musan de sika ne mayen
na binduru so e
ne sika ne mayen
ya pe ko so go
sika ne mayen
damango
ne ka sika mayen enti omudi sika ne nyina e de mayen enti aka de aban be ye ne se ansa na ye de nuro no ebeba no ayama ho nkrata no wo de aban ne se wo be waive taxes na wo so no no aba parliament for ratification na fe no watwe nuro no no distribute amman crofo mo mani mo nya nuro ni
so mo ye bi de ama hotel simple
yes enya den eni ko de nkanya po incompetence clearly o mabombon
any insensitivity
tell mo no omo sika omo yade ade can afford the most expensive hospitals in the country inti se wo no unya bia emfa ne ho. So what I say, at a point in time, Malik, a brand no nigu port one na say no, na AC4 no, ne bigu port one, na AC4 say, omunya nuru, omunya nuru. Inti, egu, se si ameno kasai, sa washa, one no more, I'm say persons living with HIV, omo, nsema omo. Parliament for ya no edu mu da bia se munyi o munwe gu tax na munyi o munfi yen. Up to now ameno kasai, Malik. Nuro no bebre na eda hugu ha omo enyiye about 180 containers eda hugu port ayenyiye meanwhile say nuro ye akro ya no ene obi eyare opinfo bi yare no nya malaria na okọ hospital a ebe ma nuro ni bi free na Malik ade ba ko omu ni say nuro kakra na ebe ba no aye beto at a subsidized cost no sika na ebenya no yesa de ma aban
wow
yes.
Wow.
Yes. Nti ayadia obia dwenya ontiase.
Na say we dia na chese dua no monwa omo sa
de koyi keke. Ye ko kan no.
Yes.
Asema maka che ne say. Se ade bibia to na kwan na emom nunu nam say egu wache because no no a deep port ho 12 good months 1 year.
They been saying.
E bia say.
Oh my goodness.
Almost say demorrage akano. Nti sa demorrage o se ko pesika 7 million Ghana cedis ansa na etima kotua nti ye kan se o monko ye mo tomatum so monko yi nuro no minister ne ba ya o se da bi mo ma me 2 weeks nure go port obi dia be chew kwa free ko yi keke no onya 2 weeks ansa na etima ko in fact agu ho 1 good year in any case adenti na o se no go ho even a year
yes
all government almost as I did we say as far about 2002 e bin sida je no nado ene ba omia abreso yankoso intisi ye de sanyema no egu nchenya global fund o mabre yen yankasa nro a yentumi nyi a egu ho a essay a Ghana medical association for Ghana medical association for akase sa nro no so no ye be run short very soon e de no to nchenya ye wo apomuden asichi ma bia ye national health insurance. Now national health insurance no ye free baby and e bedru baby e bedru nti se obekaya national health insurance ye wura John Jerry Rawlings in 1998 and o sha say obe pilot national health insurance nti oyebi o damango in the northern part of the country so obekaya
yes
and you obi dodowa in the southern part of the country in the year 1998 to 2000 NDC free aban but what I say na NDC free aban mo no and the Irakofo ebae ohwa sa health insurance na ye Irakofo eye e de bae no eno ho mmra ni eno ye National Health Insurance Act 2003 Act 650 but what I say inti so mame kwan na me nka bibi kakra bi e wo mmara na e bo mutual health insurance no e ho bra ne nchiro o say se wo section 11 types of types of health insurance schemes. Or say, the following types of health insurance schemes may be established and operated in the country. A, T, district mutual health insurance schemes.
Yes.
District mutual health insurance schemes.
That's 2003.
2003.
Yes.
Under
President Kufuor.
Under President Kufuor. In this insurance way no enye national. In this who belong to the mutual district health insurance na wo dwabo so na. Utu kwan na bank kan ha untumi vanko hospital.
Oh,
yes.
Now if you dwabo so ko board here.
Untumi vanko hospital.
Oh, how? Now wo ba bibie ni e.
Untumi vanko hospital. Nti jire baby a o ka part of the scheme no no. Nti ne ye wo mutual schemes, district health insurance mutual schemes. Nasa schemes no or more council at the head our cry and the supervisors schemes in the district mutual health insurance schemes and B no was say private commercial health insurance schemes and C no say private mutual health insurance. It was not national in nature. But what you say? Good, yes. And no na ye ko ye nim no ye wura atamels and you John Dramani mama about to me from Kufuor and almost buy. In 2012, na ye were John Dramani Mahama, the president of Republic of Ghana. And ye who say, some mutual health insurance na e wo no. Say ye ka say ya ntremua so obi everybody ekwadwabo so ko ntumi fanko hospital. Obi fidwabo so bedu nkran kra ntumi fanko hospital. Nti ye ntrem. So what I say? Send your beya, baby, I will be a Ghana for nyina no. Who bet me a day card no ako hospital. That's
under Mills.
And that from Professor Mills to Yura John Dramani.
That's at the NDC.
At the NDC. In fact, under Yura John Dramani Mahama, mresson ye pass a law in 2012. Inti so share mrana a bo national health insurance ye can want to see ana. Sam ran your National Health Insurance Act 2012.
Wow.
And Act 852.
And then before NHIS and also all these years.
2012 and before the power.
Never.
Fantastic. Now TA. There's a national health insurance we know. Eka ewomrenim. What say? Part 2, National Health Insurance Scheme. Establishment of the scheme. Establishment of the National Health Insurance Scheme. What say? Section 26. 1. There is established a nationwide the operative word there.
Nationwide.
There is established a nationwide health insurance scheme. Nationwide, on the back of schemes.
Yes.
We will say scheme. There's only one scheme. To be known as the National Health Insurance Schemes.
So schemes, no, not just it was in different districts.
In different districts, schemes.
Under MPP for mutual health insurance. Ufri, yamfa say stream na wo bankran nyame mpengu. Na se wonya akwanhia e wo Suhum. Na de wo ko Suhum district hospital.
Yo Cheska. Enye saje de ko stream.
Na wo na twa no.
Yes, I do.
Lead no yamfa ko stream.
Inti no, it was never national in nature.
Before I bet to us, it was na money actually see. Your videos are on this NHIS. I will be biara nya kwan ehu ne ekoso. Nti wo de Jamaica kakra. Yen twa ho tiawa. Na mbo video yi. No biara nya NHIS nsem no entie. Ye wia na yasana beto aso. Yes. Get to aso.
In fact, we are really struggling to survive. We don't have money to buy drugs, to pay salaries, to buy lights, and to do any other thing at the facility. We are struggling. We are pleading with the government. They paid us up to November, October last year. We plead with the government that the government should release money to NHI for them to pay us. As from 7th of June, we cannot work with NHI card bearers anymore. This is serious matter and it's getting out of hands. The healthcare is really collapsing under NHI and we can't afford to let it collapse. We have to survive it. Therefore, government to release money for us so that we can bounce back and work to take care of Ghanaians.
Let me first of all acknowledge Joy FM. Video no, you from Munchain. No more releasing video no demaya. Honorable, what would see private health facilities?
Yes.
Esuma
yes.
Say into your mokaya.
Yes. Yebedru.
Yo.
Na answer na no.
Yes.
Your national health insurance scheme no an authority no maybe enye sika free. Maybe enye sika free. Saa foto no meni umienu nyina no yetua hoka. Obo say so hwa o say national health insurance levy. Inti bibia akọ breakfast akra otua national health insurance levy 2.5.
Me humpa.
Bibia beto bi otua national inti eye forward payment most reliable. Yemfa nkoto foto no aban ni ho kwan so de ne saka. Yemfa nto foto ni. Any sika parliament anase grant bia ye de bema obia. Na sa wo hwa yenye sa sika ni nyina ewo foto ni mu awie no. De mra ne kani. Mpacho ti de mra ne kan. Sa wo hwa section 52(1) tie de okaye. Was a payment of levy into the fund. The minister responsible for finance shall within 30 days after the collection of the levy cause the levy to be paid directly into the fund and furnish the minister responsible for health and the authority with evidence of the payment.
Okay.
Until within 30 days, within 30 days, minister fund no. Straight.
Direct.
Within 30 days.
Yo.
But what you say? After the minister responsible for finance shall present to Parliament every 6 months a report on payment of levies into the fund. What you do? Busumi nsia bia bra Parliament be catch say what this can what you are. If he say aban we ba power. Omunye da, mo breaches our law way entirely.
That's it.
Omo breaching entirely.
Wow.
As if that is not enough. You be do. So see am no kasa yi. National health insurance or how back we park a sepa no you baumia and in another and this how buy adentra one buy no and no musa de mra e buy sika na e wasanka ye gigiwi a ye de national health insurance fund nim street no almost there be yenso sika na so pese edibi ndi ye gigiwi a e wo se ye de mra bi ba na sa mra na ma ye kwan ye e bi fi sika nim nti omo de mra bi Eddie by Samrano, your friend, no, earmark funds capping and realignment bill.
Yes.
I pass it into act. Within a year, no, say, ya just buy 6 billion. Not done for there be 6 billion. You're for national insurance, Miss for 2 billion.
Don't know better.
On the bachelor, into Sawasha. A fee set from 2017, and I'm about to buy 2018, some deduction. Into Sawasha. In Sikanko Omadieni from 2018, 419 million Ghana cedis, 688 million Ghana. Sika a buy extra free national health capeno.
Wow.
Into from 2018, Ebepim Sammy no, or much Sika bear 8.3 billion.
Billion?
Yes. Sika bear 8.3 billion. Sa 8.3 billion no. Si a case, ye receive district hospital, you bet me see Marco 44
district hospitals.
Yeah, didn't quite anybody this kind of year. See, University of Ghana Medical Center, you see 3. You see cheap compounds, you see by 5,600.
5,600
cheap compounds in there. You who be this kind of. So Dallas are some you can. Dallas are some you can. I be yes, you can find you know. So see the year Dallas is want to share. Now here the population or say area now or how now. You bet me the year Dallas is want to share for more than 200 years.
I'm obia
nya ho faso say sika ni ma de omo de o ma tie national health insurance ni omo di so inti so wo hwe sika na egum the way I see capo no any the way ya anka ya ankapo a ti ya ankapo a anka sa na graph
na ekosoro
na ka ekosoro so see ya capo no say na graph nti wo hwe so so ye dem wide na wide so what you say inti so wo hwe sa Yewura baumia ene na banya omo baaye no every year bia no omo sika dodo a e wo se omo tua into the national health insurance fund no omo ntua nzo behwa ye oma kapo awie no we NDC de a ye kapo ye we ye MPP de a ye san kapo awie but what you say we ya kapo we ye nkape Yen capo no yen from 2013 59% near tria 75% near tria 73% near tria 86% near tria yen capo yen impo no na we what's in the na dia wie no the akana was o de ba no enso so ntua
ma hu zero bi ho me bon pa say yen duro
in 2017 2017, 77%. In 2018, Sikana waji win also the con what tin the dear you know. 32% the coy.
Wow. That's what tin ya can na.
Within the year no, Sikano say no the coy. 2019, 57%. Now 2020, 34%. Over 2021, 6%.
6% per.
Over 2022.
Wow.
Within the year, no, Gyamfi be and Kwanko for 20.
There's an empty coffers.
Empty coffers. Any the coin. When you pony Yakapo, we pony no. Kakrana Akano, and also on much ID. Inti edu samreya na service providers no wonom tempintekwa says montua ye car yenso adwuma no yenye inti wo the collection and releases from national health insurance from na NDC ni MPP ni say medical actually
no.
Yes inti say ye baha na wo de in terms of dollars yen 4 years no sika ye tria wo national health insurance ni mu no ene wono mo so de sika o mu tria ye na yen ye de no ye gigi sika no mu be 1.3 billion out of the $1.3 billion no you tria mu be
748 million.
Meanwhile,
less.
Just saying
Twice the amount AG.
Fantastic. That's what I want you to know.
Wow.
That is what I want you to know.
Wow.
Inti say a balance and to share the collections releases national health. Insurance in terms of almost say yen o mai no cedi no a depreciate on hourly basis.
Yes.
Inflation was so pa. Inti say service provider no hwe we na bosome enum yentua ne ka. Bosome nsie yentua ne ka. Isika no na ho de ne so tia na eti. Pacha o tia se. Inti ade anko very good. Ade anko nya be 14 do hospital where yes say tuesika. Ana say nuru bi o ya trama kokotobra. Unim de disaba. De disa eba ne say ebi o wa national health insurance for omo tariff from the eba no. Ebi a paracetamol syrup. Paracetamol syrup no omo say omo de omo betua 5 Ghana cedis. Meanwhile no service provider na koto 10 cedis. Njo omo tariff no mo ne bo no e form. Nti say wo ye patient na akọ ho a two options. Wo discan bi be kan ho and obeka say me ni bi anya ntua.
That's all.
Yes. Because on to me recover the full. Nti anu ye friend co-payment.
Wow.
But that's what I say. Nti obi kra national health insurance card or the hospital because ye ntua realistic tariffs in no. Ni esa je omusika because sika na ya agege no aban de kan atene de akodi nti kakra na aka na osom de budget nti Malik from 2023 May tia so American ten May May 2024 within not until last 2 weeks he entry sika bia nkoto fund nim 12 months.
Let's look at a card now.
Fantastic. Now my break here no down for you. Last 2 weeks I a babo until be kasa no. And no mutia part of May. Omutia June, no mutia July. And to see me no kasa from July to July last year, which is 2023. Ebe pum February this year. I buying at the National Health Insurance neka 2.4 billion.
2.4 billion
from July. Ebe pum February of this year me pacho March nka ho April nka ho May nka ho until within this year na ya approve national health insurance form na wie no as at this year we are in the 6th month and amebwa until the formula for 2024 no yentue mu kapreba yentue akapreba in fact 2023 they no kwa yentue anyi
na sika no he
sika ne di very fantastic question sika na e wose ankeni kwase ye di ensa kan because mrana chene pefe so woji wi a special purpose vehicle when ye dey ye men fa onsanka yenya di sika wi no na kan ofo wi atampi before no mo do mo sa bo sika nim no mo dey edom pe mind you sa sika we enye sika bi aka say national health insurance for ho akire wonom nti aban kopia bosia me beli wonom there bi eya me no mienu sika ye tue dada
me tue da bia
you
can't dodge it
it's one of the most reliable
yes
yes nti the pressure na eto omuso say ya afei na wo pe kwan yo be fa so a omenye sika e da beto foto ni the sia me no kasa as I speak to you now not a peswa of the 2024 formula has been paid. In any case, in any case, no 2023 the crown you get more than 2 billion na yen try.
See I bad data na.
The say send year 2023 the year omontria na omo 2024 no. Then they try to catch up.
So they start paying.
Nti enunti and you say omo da hu tria 2023 the na yenya emetua 2024
it is a mama ba
e Canada ho e Canada ho twen no did you betua but what you say very good yento aso yemre nti ye wo under national health insurance no wo kai say na nsan bi ye wura ba o mi atumi ka kokan kire Cape Coast for say aban ebe absorb national health under national health insurance no dialysis ni ade Onimohe, and I'll tell you why. Policy mean control.
Yes.
I'll tell you the truth. And they're making my dance for any MPP members of parliament. Meanwhile, one of the national health insurance formula no at the buyer. You who said that is and you didn't come match it. I buy into one among bia. In that idea, young members of parliament still say, answer na be approve samrano. Monfa bibinsem for dialysis. Yen from the members of parliament. Ye insist here, but umia or a member of parliament.
Onye member of parliament. Onye bin so da.
Any the same. Any pass here. And no who say from 18 and below, any 60 and above no, constitute only 20% of the entire population. What's I idea? 20%. 20% per in any absorb and no.
80%.
80%. In any case, the big question, I say, you say when you know and no crampono a year for 6 months for elections after election. What next?
Just for 6 months.
You be drew Malik. I did back up committee this year and say, so Bekaya. As part of the revenue into the National Health Insurance Fund, I was said at Jumayeni Bia, utria 2.5% of your net contribution into the fund. But you into we are doing utria contribution to the fund, we state contribution, with utriano, Marana say 2.5 Economic National Health Insurance for. Says the canon until committee ni Bermu, near the command buying a ban said Yakaho. In the whole year, said there be a buying. Yema uni sesika no nti se senate for no agege sesika na they should pay directly into the fund omo fan come fund the for no
wow
nti under national health insurance no it is running in arrears and come agege sika ni bebre na so bebre na no omo ati sika na dibi the adie na omo ankasa kra kasa omo de ma fund no enso aye boache bi din aye mfa nko these are the facts and the truth.
So almost siamra.
Yes.
Omu
famra na nyehwe na Akufo-Addo your president aba oman mu omumra kra. Now, ye fa no ntonchen. Na ye nko ye nursing. Nti se oba ye institutions a ye training amanfo ema wonom ebeye anesefo a. Ye wura John Dramani Mahama Breso. Oba ye no na nursing training colleges are ɛwɔ ɔman mu na 32 yo obefiri so no na ɔde bɛyɛ 66 and aka ho
from 32
to 98
66
additional no, aka ho
nursing training
nti nursing training college bi sɛ kwa Eva John Dramani Mahama na si ye that dey so aba Gyamfi Techima Krobo am say Techima Krobo ho no na abayiwa no ko bisa ni sa training institution na ba omi akọ ho no yo le si ye
ejo mama na wo akojo mama sa so wo sa akosopa no e di ntro akono so
ndi boli kwapon tumu yeji zuarungu ni nyina Eva John Dramani Mahama na tikesia ori adwen unim de ntia ode sa abaye Eva John Dramani Mahama say obi wo ho no won kran na okọ nursing training college wie ni de na ekodwabo so se menko nti sa dia yemi bi nursing training institutions ni bi onkrase no nti bi nkrase na wo mo mbo ho no a mo area ho no yentwa ebo bi number bi nto wo ne mfa mo
quota bi
mfa nto wo nti se school no fa nipa be 200 a yes say omo mo fi area ha no yemfa nipa be 30 and 40 fantastic
damango
fantastic
sa pepepe
se ne be ya sa ankofo no mo ho no mo wie school na ye ka se on tra ho nya adwuma
obey na
busuafo ho nti schools no o de bebre e ka ho
what a visionary man
anya no kwa o otimi fa nkofo bi no mu finzongo kokiba e ko training mo medical doctors
yes
nursing na number C into bia training institution bia na ufi say ubetumi a training more people no osefa o capacity ya upgrade binom eko model nursing training the model nursing training no ebi say kolebu komfa noche Cape Coast Koforidua secondary Boga atibie ni nyina omo upgrade no ko model nursing training colleges
wow
onwa adwen aye dey be mine okay ento aso
we ba omi adwen ho ani ti be pai
na we na yenuanom bae a wonom say school bi te say bia na regu a omutimi fa nipa be 1000 under Eva John Dramani Mahama say there bi ye mam quota if na ko na be kire mu de wo so mo fa nti if na ko no mam fa 1000 bi mo fa 300 so what I say nti omo di quota e ba nti every nursing institution no they say quota no ya tro de envelope ne de obi kwa ni obi quota offer ne de see nti omo e di quota e bai na tie krata omo tro come the nursing institutions
book don't lie
am me so dey say me twan tro for nti sa krata we if the Ministry of Health or say quota for the 2022-2023 academic year
quota system.
Yes.
Now so communicators na say there's no quota.
There's quota. I'm trying.
And you signature no say
2022
deputy minister.
Yes, deputy minister. Yes. 2022 that me president.
That be
me president that. Inti South School way. Inti was the Ministry of Health has announced the distribution of quota for 2022-2023 admission into the public health training institutions. In view of this, the ministry officially gives approval for the underlisted quota to your institution for 2022-2023 academic year.
Wow.
Into admission quota. Now, TBBS, registered general nursing, South School way, Eva John Dramani Mahama Breswa, almost 50 no, now commit to about 300.
300.
Yes.
So they have deprived 250 people an opportunity
of 50.
Wow.
Now, nursing assistant clinical on some 500. Na tie the way krata we much come almost say 70% for the institution which I say out of the 50 no institution in school no omonya employment omo for the makoma 35. 30% for the ministry.
Mentias you. Enti ministry forms no ministry.
Bisamibim.
And a minister na de beba.
Nti sa dey we na se da bi munyina ho de e ba ye bodia. Nti me no mo che yamen.
Yes.
And this is on.
This is criminal.
It's criminal. Let we know that one.
Wow.
Inti quota system no ana make am for say enya no kren. This is the letter indicating say every institution, every nursing training college I will my has see say obia o MPP near don't just follow the crowd.
Yes.
next training na e wa John Mahama Adaroma say obey 98 just walk into any of these institutions na bisa wonom say omma quota na nsa mo meeting ba ye nche
wow
omko meeting ba ye mdom quota ma omo enche inti quota system no
inti na Matthias here e to da wote ho na obi afrɛ honorable migrate ye pa so omo family they be inti just accord
a deprive am for be brave
a lot of people
yes
inti wote fie na say one ya kwan anko nursing institution nso wo good grades can you say baumia ene na na don't
asechere no ye wa John Mahama Breso or say institution no ebeye intake ni per the capacity of the institution aho din betimi bia no wono mfa but what I say now yenko allowances are mo de obode
aha no begu baumia ni ma say
media allowances yi wono say omotu allowance omo ye ntrekisi bi na aban ye ntrekisi aban inti for the records the year 2017 year group omo de omo ka 1 month the year 28 and 1 month omo we school ko okay the year 2018 omo de omo ka 3 months omo we school ko the year 2019 omo de omo ka 4 months omo we school ko the year 2020 omo de omo ka 15 months omo we school ko what it means is that my men we am chichiro the year 2021 omo do omo ka 27 months omo no mo fa na years say ya ba ko bisa question
ba ko ka say ntua no
nti after the 27 months omo twa mu 4 months daka 23 months omo so omo twa okay the year 2022 omo do omo ka 16 months
wow
na de che you had trick say ho so bi eko school no owie 2020 na allowance bia ma or final year okọ yantua onya ba bia da final year okọ
wow
are you following it?
I'm following.
2021 the person is at or final year
yes
ya de neka sika na ma wa wie school okọ ye insan fa sika no enko ne fie enko ma ne say wa wie school na allowance
bi ashe
sika na ashe
into 27 months ya ashe
into omo wie school a ashe
into girl no obisa ba omi question na de
fantastic question.
She's finished.
Inti sesia no 4 months na omo dia ma omo no. So man fa bi ma nko a na eno ano no na hye. Na sika na wo se wo de ma akola no. Na ne ho aha na bra wo school no. Wo se wo de ka 27 months. No wo se nya kokudura be ka kire say wo kutua allowance. 27 months divided. So every year even 6 semesters and 8 semesters. It means that about 2 to 3 years the entire yes, now private school onye bi da.
Now we have restored your allowances.
These are the records.
Honestly,
these are the records. These are the records.
Wow.
Inti omo allowances and some there menua boachi bi. You very be rotation. Rotation na se for ni we school a. Eno no omo koyet national service no. So that say kane no o ya ye tua wa allowance and ye tua national service for ekada the see am no kasa yi 2022 for the omo wi dada ye ntua 2023 the omo wi dada ye ntua e bi nsi da ento aso
ye DC segment isi
inti so ba Ghana weba he we are suffering pay as 2022 2023 me na me kai we joy online na da ho no so afei ni aba recruitment when we school no ye wura John Dramani Mahama Breso for the records ye be free so no one no we school 2013 nurse for your form nyina aduma 2014 ye form nyina aduma 2015 ye form nyina aduma 2016 and I'm say you free student no you me on form adwuma obi o wie sa years we ya for adwuma na bia o 1 or 2 subjects bi ye den e twero e form nyina adwuma Malik as I speak to you now from 2020 be summary o nyina agufie 2020 agufie 2021 ofie 2023 ofie 2024 ofie
4 batches omotifie
omonyehwe I am telling you
wow
na hwentrikisi bi omo ba be omo ye no before 2020 elections. The Siano, Omo Baye no, and no twan ya 2017 man for nipa, 2018 man for nipa, 2019 man for nipa, 2020 na ye be elections no. And no the advert bi buy. Between November December no, you say yan fan crofo. Nti ebewie 31st December. 31st December no, send ya to abana
of course.
Nti nya fa nipa na send am here single spine no.
Yes.
That is aban no beba no.
Ono beba
so far.
Yes.
And that is exactly what they want to repeat. Omo yes had way before 2020 elections. Nti se obetwa omo choose akrata we 29th October 2020. 2020 na ye to abana no. Nti se wo hwa procedures na omo be go through na omo say even before you be approval no, the procedure will end 31st December 2020. Clearance on the mind. All this.
That's after election.
After election. Into was starting the ball rolling from November. And one more hope be say, yeah, before Duma.
Okay, 2020 omu win here.
Into 2020 omu yes.
Into NDC 2021.
Oh man, fantastic.
Me be say.
Into 2021 oh man for Duma. Into omu form 2020 no. And omu say Duma na say 2021. But you make what you say. Inti a free walk eba no. Omonfa obi adwuma. Now the year tie say, oh, your declarance e ba be from adwuma. Again, we are in 2024 because of elections.
Yes.
Into o ye wie a, say na mo ye singles fan, mo gya ho, ade ma ye ba John Dramani mama de be see dem form ho, no mo ko.
Wow.
Inti apart from omo ba ye no, omo ye recruitment into the hospitals and nursing for omo ye one no my ye. The next one,
yet we have a deficit in this country.
Now, a kwanya one more year juma a hospital a hodwo, a nurse for doctor for a free omaimono, a gani free omaimono, personally, as a film. No more. In fact, in 2022, in Kwa first half, experienced nurses on free omaimo, about 3,000.
3,000 left the country.
Yes. In fact, so we share the records are in 2021, now in 2022, now the staff strength, you know, AC by year 251 in 2021. In 2023, about 182,000. What it means is that about 69,000 workforce are Ghanaian free system. Na asefem na mechira wo die ntira amanfo ni edwane akọ. I will never say aban we na ya aban edikanya health professionals edwane free omanyimu na emom the rate at which are echo no enwanwa kane no hu se medical doctor bi etu kwaya kwa bruchira na ebia wa wie school for person specialize young guy but see the experienced ones are also living.
Yes.
One, hopelessness in the system. Hopelessness adintra obi ye lecturer or ye medical doctor what try there sir what timeti ni mo remu e disika kakra to why investment na we no aban we buy so am haircut ndo jan oja lecture theater ho and oja hospital ho kra na oni odobia oni ahoka bi oni akọ be free o mani mo and they are living minim hospital bia a super woman mo neurosurgeon I wo eye one and na me no kese neurosurgeon yare nti ko hospital ho ba akọ kra ni ho.
Wow.
Yes. So they are living, they are fleeing the system. Secondly, apart from hopelessness in the system, the hardship in the system. And I'll demonstrate to you the hardship. So, what idea media to hoya? Who say medical officer in 2016 December, medical officer now get 3,600. So, and they are projecting 3,600. But you okay. And I met the same medical officer no in 2024 or 2024 May or 10,600.
The pay slip.
The pay enter me the pay slip. So under 2016 the Ogini, under 2024 the Omogini.
Yes.
But Malik, the problem is sika we to under this kind
purchasing power.
The purchasing power of the scanner Ogian. Into beside what say in Pacha Yankoso. Inti sa medical officer now the salary no eni inti o wie suku no person si dan ya ba ka cement in the cement no in 2016 ni sika ni no or the koto cement otimi the 134 bags of cement.
Yes,
but they make what you say now the same medical officer no at 99 bags of cement.
Meanwhile a doors will change.
Meanwhile sika no
let's kind 2016 2016 so ni 80 ton so.
2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 2016 20 But they make into a friend who episode no say adwuma de do say na me yemfie sen na metumi kwasi dan de me tiatum nti onyakonya obefi o man nim hwe sa sika na no in 2016 na $953.
Wow.
3,600 no.
Yes.
In 2016 no $953.
Yes.
Now sa sika kro na o $10,000 something no. Now $713.
Wow.
Into be sika no ebia esom. But adie sika ni timi to no. Inti say nipa no na petrol 1 gallon. Say say nipa no ogene akatua na otimi de 259 gallons of petrol. And then ogi sa akatua na 10,000 something na otimi de to sika
164.
One ho kire no.
Wow.
Inti ene woni health professional no e kasa obia pe kwan e de free o man nim. And the effect is that Malik, wako hospital hono, but be also can do 1 hour, over 5 hours. Because hospital hono anka anye ye kra no. I was about 5 medical doctors in a year juma ho. Omo nyina akọ aka 1. Njuba kona obu afu na ma che omo nyina e free oman mu because of the hardship, the economic conditions. They cannot bear it. They can simply not bear the hardship in the system. Inti nurse for the so and I'm here no ha no the purchasing power because nurse ni ya na 2016 oje sasika we 2013 2024 oje sasika we ni dollar $307.
Yes.
Meanwhile sisia no the dollar $214. Sika niam etumi etoni cement na okwakoto a ne de etumi 43 we de etumi etotari
that about the same to see 100 meters of wall.
That is it. Inti no utumi hu say obia oni no edi nkomo wo health sector ni mu no opekwan e de free oman yi mu ni omo maka asisi a no ebia nipa nya akwanya ana ne yire bi nti ana ne kunu bi nti na onkoye so nya akwanya he will leave the system nti meanwhile no so no ye wa nurse fo a omo wie school mu tifi a yen nyamfa omo adwuma experienced ones are leaving yen failing no so no ye gina ho ne ye hwe.
Wow.
Nti your health system no there were very big problem.
Yo, ebusuafo we de masumwa
akabe mienu miensa bi say beto.
Yes, ye beto aso.
Mate.
We de mo ankasa mo hu. Yes, ye. Honorable, mienu miensa no. Ye mfam peso.
Ye nto aso.
Ansa na ya ba the solutions.
No problem.
Ye ma problems no. Now you map the solutions.
Fantastic.
And you end with problems, no. Now you about the second segment.
No
now the solutions, no.
No
and you enter the last 2 slides.
Ebiem say ye de sa eno eto nchenya. Ye wura ba omi abeka kire yen say MPP aban bae eno mo de bibia ye frɛ no e-health e de eba omayimu. Book don't lie. Obi a wo 2016 budget. Don't forget, say 2016 budget, you kind of 2015.
Yes.
But that's what you say. Yes. Okay. In paragraph 592 of the 2016 budget, till the setekwe kai. But me a catch Ghana for say MPP are my NT e-health that. But you till the setekwe kai. What say? Mr. Speaker, successful trial runs in e-health application in most of the departments of the piloted hospitals have been carried out. The ministry will complete the following projects. Conduct trial runs of the 16 remaining departments at Kolebu Teaching Hospital by the end of 2016. Monitor the go live and roll out the 11 departments at Zebila District Hospital. And conduct trial run of the remaining 8 departments at the Wa Regional Hospital. Inti sa anyema we. Aye nyema na ye contractors are no more no light wave any lamp no sa contractors e corona no more ho abem family omo yen chesa omo e-health omo execute e-health no
it ba omo abeto so
obeto omo ye ne ma sa contract no e don buy no be renew ye enso ba omo ahwe Ghana fo nyina na nipa ye kasa won kan kora I mean so at least we can for kakra
yes
nti eye nkontompo sampa obia ubenya 2016 budget no eno kra no ni roll out ne kra no eno so ensan enye papa because nanka omo expectation say records who ya manual ni nyina no on be transfer records ni nyina to the soft to see no muntumi nya science records ni be cry ra nti enye no kre say NPP are buying in the e-health and they buy and no see fantom but what you say
solved,
fantastic,
settled. Issue no they are settled.
Now papa we what's no kre di no kre on can be that na bibi e ka bia nye tu mira na kyeresi ade na make we ye wo ha in 2018
basic form
inti so obehwe a sa publication we 17th December 2018 and obaye a o say wakonya kofo bi e from zip line na sa zip line for no omo drones and ebe fa nuro akoma wono mo a hinterlands no na emom aban entwa sika bia e wo sa zip line nim no mo abe raise omusika ntitie di okan say wo hwe ya o say we will fund 12.5 million drone deal from corporate social responsibility support Baumia 10 years ana obaye vice president na kasa o say the minister of finance is also happy to know that Ghana is doing this through corporate social responsibility. We are not going to do it on the budget of the government. But we are not kasa you. Okay. Na omode the say no ba parliament no debater e course so ebini. Sa amre no na Kwabena manu na minister for health. Tinsem be Kwabena right. Tinsem be okan at the time. Or say Mr. Speaker, I would want to stress again that the Honorable Minister for Finance did not put his signature on because this is not going to be done. This is not going to be done from the consolidated account. The public purse is not going to come in here. Hands are good. But what I say. Then further, Sir Dr. Amwaku Chumnyama, and also the chairman of the committee at the time. Or say, why should the Minister for Finance come in when we have stated explicitly that this would not be paid for by the state, but we have private sector corporate bodies that have given us indications of their willingness to support the drone project. And also, inti bibia where your hands are so parliamentary records. Inti bibia omoka ye bia no e kire say Gyamfi sika entria drone bi. Now sika Ghana buying akukuru e dia hye zip line. Fantastic. Inti bako yetua 20 million bako from the Ministry of Health yetua 42 million so bako. Now we are planning to pay another 70 million. Now enye enunkuampo ena eye issue no bako bi ebo so say contract ja buying zip line for koye no take o pay so. Nti say zip line center no every center be on be build the biano omo ye adwuma omo anya adwuma at the end of the month no $88 million I will see it here.
So you take o pay.
Take o pay any
honorable Mr. I'm ready to yawa.
Hey, me bana me say me do so pa. Se see e me la so.
Se see aso. I'm Mr. me boss say na say no yen chance e dey no 3 hours.
Nti
for
your name be brave.
That's right.
Nti e be fa ni kakra. Nti ne e bia e be see ha.
Am obia.
E be fa abandoned hospitals. You be fa be brave. You be fa COVID. You be fa ni nyina kakra.
Na obia nya ho ntia. Na say na musical e no. Ye ma problem na ya ma solution.
Fantastic.
You be just makakra. Na ye NDC and you. We are na ya ba na wa ma ye hyehyɛ pa ye wo e de magana.
No problem.
E busu afọ entwe ho sima ba akopɛ.
The victory of Muhammad. The victory of Muhammad.
About here come here,
The victory of Muhammad. The
Ebusuafo, yes, I'm a Kwaba about NDC 360 segment be NDC and U segment. Na sa segment here to your boss. Chere won sheye pa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the nation builder, ewo de Magana for. Na sa nyame adom na se obeye mampanyi from 7th January 2025 wotimi dia topono so amagana for nyina anya ho faso. Se dia misika ye no ya ma problem na ye be ma solution. As a leader, it is your duty to identify the challenges of your country whilst professing alternative viable solutions. Na se wan kasa wutie solutions ene si share pa ye wo na se wan hweso anto aba pa on December 7th 2024. That just say wara o wara. Nti busuafo ye besan so akọ the honorable member of parliament for the good people of Dwaboso constituency in the Western North region, and also ranking member on the health committee, and our birthday boy. And so I say, on Jaya, Uncle dinner birthday, or the number, a bet church and Semnumu, and share pie, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Edward Meyer, Eddie Atoponoso. Honorable, we come back to you for the policies, the alternative solutions by the nation builder, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the visionary president, the man who thinks on his feet, the man who has Ghana at heart, and the man who has all the solutions towards resetting this country back to the right lands and taking us to the promised lands. The floor is yours. Ghana for Unite.
Fantastic.
Through the solutions.
Fantastic. Yewa John Dramani Mahama say me dey kan no. Waye bida. Nya afi no all promises of abaye. Eya de a waye bida, especially in the health sector. Bako or say we shall remove taxes on essential medical supplies for dialysis.
Wow.
See, dialysis na ye no. Taxes a good dialysis in no so any reagent no so no 50%.
Wow.
Yes. It is obano yi sa taxes in good so.
So slashing by 50%.
Automatically. They can obey me crabs over. TBM also we shall establish a cancer and kidney disease trust fund to support afflicted Ghanaians who need assistance to treat such conditions.
Wow.
Kidney dialysis in its first year.
Yes.
Inti so we share year 2020 manifesto ni mo ewom. Inti ye na wa ban mu a kase say no kase ade wan kai.
It is aside slashing 50%.
We
support.
Yes, there's a fund. Obe establish it. Inti enye kidney disease nko cancer ni nyina because all the national health insurance dey delay a critical condition.
Yes.
Sika na ama yenti benhwa no obewu.
Na nanu kra yentu ya for me.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
Nanu ya.
Emena amaso man ko cheche.
Yes.
But so clear solution. Adwen.
Wow.
Or say we shall scrap the quota system for admission into. We call the idea why
yes.
Into unlimited admissions no. Nti so be your person called nursing training.
So mo frɛ me nyina yesu betwa.
Exactly.
Obenya ho kwan.
No akobi. Na so otimi abe nursing na otimi aye the person we shall ensure the prompt posting of trained health professionals. We school ani afọ adwuma. Owo blueprint no o sisi hospitals ni bebree. No sisi compounds ni bebree. Na konya na eda ho. No de omo wie no ewuram. Nti we school ano. I say we fa wa na so
waye bida.
Yes. Nti enya ade a yenko agina ansa na ebebuya. Eya ade a waye bida wo se me ba meto aso. Eye straight. We shall establish a modern dialysis center in the
the good East people region. Of Upper East region. Me am krom for.
See me. NDC abreso. Ni obi bi efe no National Hospital Equipment Replacement Program. Nti ne ye nsi brick and mortar nko a. Sa time na so beti a MRI, CT scan,
yes.
X-ray.
Yes.
Omo disika chichi dey more than $250 million ekototo hospital equipment. And na ye chama the already existing hospitals. But what you say? You say, nyame ya adom na obatumi mu a, obesi modern dialysis center. In the dialysis machines now, emra na ye be free abayemu no. Kolebu na ye 18 si aka 13. Oko Konfanochi a na ye be free ho no na ye 8 si aka 1.5. Nti oba obesi sa o say we shall build a referral hospital in Boko and upgrade the Yendi hospital. Obi ono wa bemu no. Otimi si quaternary level hospital, UGMC. So UGMC hospital we. Neseso e wo Israel.
Wow.
Yes, UGMC de wo ha no. Neseso. But the equation ye be see ye e wo Israel. That is the man. Obia or what some a great
blogger be call also could drew ho a car kit uncle casse would go draw.
In the hospital see there.
Yes,
I know the JM Castle basic hospital. I know they just say Obi and Hobe or no chantro. So themselves no chantro. Or say we shall cancel the capping and realignment policy.
Capping now which
capping now me chere mono. Or say ono the oba na breso no on je capping into obetwam. In this it means that the national health insurance, 8 billion now, or maxi a dino, back to national health insurance.
Inti send a full
amount inside.
You must answer your full amount. Not just an NHIS card and there, which we call no more to do now. It's
you be a realistic payment because you see, again, I did back what man can't and say, I'm not a year with John Dramani Mahama Hono. Now, 2.5% na your VAT and national health insurance levy 2.5.
Okay.
Omo buy no ombe 2 mu to mo je VAT nkwa 2.5. Okay. No national health insurance levy nkwa 2.5. To ba sika bebre.
Sika na ba boom
bim. Ko fo mo die wu.
Oso mo ntua. Omo sa the cap na.
Omo die wu. O say we shall complete all abandoned hospitals project and chip compounds across. So okay. Ye gba John Dramani Mahama beso. Na ono ankasa na appointees omu did 20 teacher compounds.
Yes.
Nti ono kan achievement a check compounds no kan ho. For you see bebre. Hospitals, polyclinics, we see more than 10 in central region kwa. Oko se wu asante region kuma wu for me na 80% complete omu jai. O say ono de oba because abai ba ye no. Eye Ghana sika na ye wa John Dramani Mahama dey share the health sector. And on come beto aso and ye complete sa ni nyina ansa na omodi biem eba no say odwe your mind ho
na honorable aside even completing health facilities 24-hour economy no kwan ben pa na be fa so e dey aboye in the hospital system.
The tiene say when we say ene oko hospital a wo be kwa kosia few staff ho for emergency purposes ahomache no what I say omo run send ye run no anopa ana awia ana anwumre no so what I say nti staff bia omo hospital ho no for emergency purposes don we dey no mo yewura John Dramani Mahama says no oba hospital no ye be run 24 hours nti send ye no uko anopa ubehunu no saa na uko anwumre o ahomache o ubehunu nti ama say anopa de ne ye fa nipa be 10 ena eye adwuma it means that I was saying that you nipa be 10 biem
for area
you pay nipa be 10 biem for anajo nti the more na ye training crofo no the more na ye implement 24 hours no na man for so eya anwuma eye nti obi otifie sesia na ye post na onya adwuma nye no under the 24 hours no
honorable yes messages bad doso nti ye be call break kakra na ye call break here you buy better messages. If messages no so e bi mo bisa questions ni nyina e questions na be ma wo. Na won sa chire mu.
Okay.
E bia baby wo ho a obi anya ho ntiase yi. No problem. Obi bisa no question. Na me ama kan question na ma wo. Na me kan question na ma wo na wa to bo ase. Send ya wusi to bo ase e ma ye nde no. Na we yi question na no so anya ho ntiase.
No problem.
Ye na sa e me say e be we program no. No be with the state of the health sector today and the health sector upon assumption of office of the nation builder, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Into your for Yanji Simakakra. Yanko 1 minute break. Short break be. Yes, Abba. Me a for messages. Me can share my boss and there. Me to my boss. Na ma kan my messages no bako. So my kan messages 5,000 umpa. Enya hwe. Mu hia yenti, mu donti. And I bet you your boss. I can kind some messages no. Nti Yanji Simabako pe. Yanko short break. Ba ye betwa onkomo no so yenko
ensida sanso ene wiase enyansiye eno dia den ene wose yenso yesie ye wodonhwe aduonu nai wodakro bia mo se betua yensachaye ewo ya brabom eno dia den ti na wose yetwa ne tia akwanya ewo mre bebre mu ɛno nti afei si ebetumi ayɛ 24-hour economy ɛwɔ mfidi dwuma ahodoɔ mu ɛte sɛ adufra ɛne aduye mu yɛn mfidi dwuma ahodoɔ mu yadansie mu yahonidie mu yahonbogye mu akwantuo bodwabodwa anaaso kora no abɛɛfo kwan a yɛfa so di dwuma wode wankasa dwene ho ba yɛnwumekuo ahodoɔ yɛ a wɔn ɛwɔ customers a ɛberɛ biara yɛ hɔ akyie no a ɛte sɛ yɛ ports ɛne yɛ harbors no yɛ customs yɛ passport office DVLA ɛne deɛ keka ho a wɔn nyinaa bɛtumi abɛka 24-hour economy ho ɛkɔba ne saa yɛabrabɔ ɛwɔ microncro Ghana mu ɛbɛsesa na sesa ɛwɔ yɛyɔ emo we eya
kwen sending the message be able to boss na ya kan na ebisa honorable ranking member on the health committee honorable Kwabena Mintah Akandoh na wa yi nchiremu amaye na honorable obi send them a question and nipa na say ma member dey na mom nipa na say the issue about capping pano to was na me ma me o tamale ma me gifty salamatu chire no mu no nte capping na seje mesrewo to was capping ya capping in NHIS as a children there.
Dan kwa kufa de me ba omia ye beti mu 2 billion na ye de 4 billion akoma national health insurance nto ma cap
nti ye 2 billion
edi eno no me minim ade a omode kwa koye nti no mo ja sa 4 billion no e de ama national health insurance for no na tie hu nsusanso they affect one say sanka omudi 6 billion nyina e de ma national health insurance for na eno bi ananka ombeka say paracetamol syrup na etua no 10 cedis no ene yenso yi betua 10 cedis na wo ye de ama eni kwan say wotua sika bi aka ho tie ni ye sanka wunyina sika ni nyina ko so yenya sika bebre ye de sa de a service providers no paracetamol syrup no mo si o 10 cedis so 10 cedis dia ene ye so you better the 10 cities and even 11 cities. It is a woko account.
Okay.
Now, nam says you can do 6 billion na 4 4 billion no e be twa drama ko na kokoto ana so say twa for sika ni bika ho the cap no affect fund no ama sika na ye nya no fund no entumi emmo national health insurance na ho bra but what say
now is and there say woko na say yes national or any get the NDC card please. Oh, you would get it, don't worry. Yeah. The next messages. Nana Kosia say all the way NDC continue to protect you, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Thank you, Nana Kosia. As Akandoh Wine Richardson, Aken Mora. It is not power that corrupts, but fear. Fear of losing power corrupts. Those who wield it and fear of the scourge of power corrupts like who are subject to. On your opportunity, say, and it has a share. Ose enye tumi na ose ana obaje den ose enye tumi na say mai na emu nkita asehye kankan ne proye na chese ye de tumi no ka homa no say mai say Madiba Mandela ose is evidently clear the MPP have shown they care less about the well-being of Ghanaians, hence making Ghana too hard for us to live, especially the man Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, who call themselves human rights activists, are now dictating for Ghanaians forcefully. God bless the NDC 360 and the fireman Malik Basintale. Nene Gaddafi GH said the National Democratic Congress is the best party to develop and transform this country. Ataglia Raphael Adigi Yoke, the NDC is the best alternative political party to rescue this country. Keep your messages coming. I'll read as many as possible. Michael Dokurugu says the record of the NDC in the health sector is unmatched, honorable. And that what my who say NDC in the Juma fire health sector no more. Nene Gaddafi GH say connection men in government. Ghanaians, let's rescue this country. Thank you, Nene Gaddafi GH. Thank you, Michael Dokurugu. Say Madiba Biom. Or say I say it all the time. It was good. God brought this super incompetent MPP government led by Akufo-Addo Bawumia, just so Ghanaians will know how bad they are, and the NDC has been vindicated. The NDC is indeed Ghana's only hope and the options. Honorable, because of my kind messages are ye and de. Mekoswa kankai sa amaya pon yesem reno so etiwa. Ebia yebe part 2. You better part 2, part 3 of sound common. Yes, abandoned health facilities.
COVID war, be brave.
You better part 2, part 3, part 4. Na answer na be to abano. No be hu ehihye ye wo edemaya. Nti honorable Kwabena Mintah Akandoh, as ranking member on the health committee, what are some of the concerns you will want to share with the Ghanaian people? And what are some of the directions you want to give us? Now, what are some of the things Obesrese Ghana for one Sheso and Twaba on December 7th, 2020? What are some of the things?
You see, Malik, baby, you do know. And yet, it's not about the NDC. It's not about His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. It's about the future of this country. And yet, young minded darching, send a baby, no. Nchirima emeboye somo nti ye say Ghana fo nyina bebe yedru no omani mu ayedin ena ye John Dramani Mahama no so abeye bi da yenim de obetumi aye we num ka say ye mfa omani mo no yenim bi omode omani akodru na de opesi asisi ano de ono mpo de ko onsa nka no krenka ho na okandifo bia no the least you can do for your people, your followers, and it's obeka no kre we no kredie eni na kwemu and I feel to sabi impreduasa nyansa ye di bu man no odo ye di bu man no ebi ni ho enu nti ye be sre Ghana fo nyina sabi so we hwed arrogance ekoso kabia mkabi ahokyere ene ahantan honhom a ahye yenuanom MPP for maya mase ya hwe yie Yakopon mpangu ni esan kasa monto aso a enuro report yenkoyi omuso munti obi asem 1 year yenkoyi now say this under this same condition now say the 2 minutes akoshe wono mu nsa ene ye twa dipa tipa o meka so mu hui ene ye twa dipa tipa o meka so mu hui anu nti ye besre Sam Radie o ma be do 8 years anyo mo kwa no me Ghana for sabi adwen na sa bi yapa bi ye ni ho almost say we have the men omo ba ye hu some men no amafo say ye guru boys omunni sabe ni medie papa bia om de betim de abo man no nti be sere Ghana for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wabeye bida yen nyina yen kamom na yen nyina yen campaign no na yen nyina yen to aba no emfama no na me gidi ye say wo hwe papa no ekwanya ofaso eye ne niema ekwanya ofaso dwen ekwanya ofaso adwen Ghana woni de tutu na namon no se de Ghana man no ehye ne nsemu a Malik even the 24-hour economy ne nkwampo no ebetumi adane omayi economy no because I was say year adwuma den ba bia nkrofo edi akoi obodi akwa achi more than 15 years e wa achiri nti I was say yegere ye ho na yede ma obi a obetumi ede yen atumrika ama oman na fa ne ntoma pafra
abusuafo yeshembo say this show will be highly exciting. Yeshembo say beto ye boase na ya kire nsemu no mu nyinara. Yesa so shembo say ye mbegina ha endi obi atem. Hentwe obi apoa. Ye beto ye boase na ya kire nsemu no mu based on facts and figures. Mo amhwe honorable presentation no. Mo amani tua. Say bibia o ka ye bia o kire sie. Ana mo bi otu ye bia so o kire sie. Omo bia hu kwan a esese e fa so esiesie the health sector of this country. Na me de nsema amati ende I am a rekese say a country like Ghana and a country called Ghana and the health sector betumi atetia pansan send you see atetia pansan. Enti abusuafo wa wo hwe ne honorable kai ya. Hwe wasitinemu. Hwe wapomodimu. Hwe wa yare sabia atwa ho ehia ene senior MPP for and neglected all the health facilities ye wo man mu hano na December 7th 2024 okoto abana wa hwe wasitinemu na fa to abapa on December 7th and then adeba ko amesua ne say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba nema ne bebre Excellency John Dramani Mahama nyame mpengu say wamba as president on January 7th 2025 ye kana ye the health institutions ye be dey etua o say ye ntimi ntua bibisa ne say NHIS nso e o say betiti apansai bibisa ne say bosu a Jacob bobo no ye be dey etua ho ka o say ye ntimi ntua na che say dwiri na health sector ne ko say dwiri e na say nso e na e ko so say ne nyina so fa ye pomoden ho na me de ne e be me yakese na say wa sorry a wo yare na say wo kodura yare sabia ye say card a wo kra no to card ne twene card ne ntimi nya adwuma bia e na e be ye me ya na obi a wote kurase me na wote kurase obi a nyema nketenkete yare ya ketenkete even as a result of old age that's obi sorry na so pe ayaresa bia na okosa no ho yare ya okoduru ho a ese paracetamol mpo o NHIS card ntimi to nti yisika bra ne beto. Many of you are going through those challenges in this country obusuafo meda munyina ase se mo je mre mo amo ide mo bundle ye ni me se ya nto bundle amamo ye ni me se ahokyere so aba nso ye beda mo nyina sese mo de mo amo bundle ehwe ye mo amo de mo electricity ye ni se electricity tariffs boy den nso obi aso ni TV esi so 2 hours e dey tie this well researched fact finding presentation by the Honorable Mintah Akandoh ye beda mo nyina se ye beda Honorable Kwabena Mintah Akandoh, diligent, well experienced, fantastic member of parliament for the good people of Dwaboso. Dwaboso for monkosun to abanu boom emano. Ye shire Honorable Akandoh ya shire bibi papa, and we cannot stand the risk. Ghana cannot risk losing such a gallant young man like Honorable Kwabena Mintah Akandoh. Let me once again acknowledge TV stations that carried us live. We had Onuya TV, we had Wezo TV carrying us live. Thank you very much. We had TV XYZ carrying us live. Thank you very much. We had Angel TV carrying us live. Thank you very much. We had GTV carrying us live. Thank you very much. We had Loud Silence TV carrying us live. Thank you very much. We had Loud Silence TV carrying us live. Once again, thank you very much. Wednesday, NDC 360 has come to stay, and it shall grow and grow, and we shall continue to expose a lot of the corruption, the ineptitude, the incompetence of this government, whilst professing the solutions of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Meet you here same time, 8 a.m. Wednesday. Yakra Munyina.